If a cow's in two different groups for feed, the feed it is allocated is decided by rank. So if a cow was a slow eater, but was also in my good cows group, my high producers, it would receive extra feed. This is not ideal as there'd be feed left over, being that it's a slow eater. To change this, we need to move the slow eaters to rank number 1 and extra feed below it. So come across here to these up arrows, push up once and up one more time. Now slow eaters is at the top, rank 1, extra feed is rank 2. This cow that's in both of these groups now will be fed the slow eaters recipe.